What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. I got some stuff done on the 92. I got my oil changed in my truck. As far as this truck goes, I'm trying to get badges put on the side. They're not going out well. I'm getting very pissed off. Hopefully, I'm guessing this is tow mirrors for the truck. So I'm gonna crack those open and see what we got. I'm not sure if that's what this is or not. So I guess we'll find out together. That's what it looks like to be. I'll set you guys down here real quick. Come on. That's what it is. Hey, look at that. I grabbed the driver's side. Cool. So there they are. Just normal ones. So I'm going to pause you guys here for a second, get this kind of put together, and then I'm going to hang it on the door there and hang it up there on the door. And then we'll get to it. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, I got the driver's side on. I still haven't finished up the badges there on the side, but that's what it's gonna look like with the tow mirror on it. These are a pain in the freaking ass to put on. See, I still don't have that bottom one all the way tight. Literally, I'll show you how much room you have to work. Okay, so you have this little cubby. I can't fit my fingers down in there. You can't get anything like a ratchet or anything on this one because it sticks out so far. I can barely fit my finger in that gap right here. So I mean, it's a pain in the butt. So basically, you just got to get this one tightened all the way down, this one tightened all the way down, and then that one you just got to take like a needle nose pliers and twist. So I still don't think it's going to go anywhere. That's what it's going to look like. The reason being we put these tow mirrors on this truck is because we're going to be hauling hay with it, and with those stock ones they only came out to about here, so you weren't going to be able to see anything. So yeah, that's what I did today. Changed oil on my truck. Like I said, that was a pain in the ass too. Those badges are pissing me off, so I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and we'll have some more awesome videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.